Out here on a service call this evening, down in a cellar-like basement, HVAC world again. Got a kind of a platform I've been trying to balance on here. You can see it. A little bit of water. Nevertheless, I think we got it. An old furnace here. Got myself situated. Kind of had to do some rigging up temporarily. The collector box piece was broken. I don't know why. Pressure switch hose had some blockage. Got it up and going. It's firing, so get a collector box. That's the way I came in. Nevertheless, here we are. See ya.